Hey Brennan, it's been a couple days since we last talked, and I can tell that, maybe something might be up with you, so I thought I would just check in and see how things have been going for you.
Cool.
Yeah. So why don't we start with you just telling me what's been going really well for you lately?
Classes are good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Everything's good.
Yeah. So you said that classes are going really well. What class is going the best for you right now?
What class isn't going the best? I don't know. I mean, I go to them.
Yeah.
They're fine,
So you go to all your classes?
I mean, most of them.
Mm-hmm. So how many have you missed, would you say, since the beginning of the semester?
I mean, how many have you missed?
Well, I'm talking to you right now about how you're doing, but we can talk about me later if you'd like.
Sure.
Okay.
We'll do that. Do you miss classes, though?
No, I try to not miss class just because I think that they're really important.
Okay. I mean, I go to most of them, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On like a weekly period, about how many classes a week do you say that you miss?
Maybe 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that 2 of the same class every week, or are you missing different classes each week?
Like the different classes usually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have you gotten any notes from any professors concerned about how often you're missing class?
No, my professors don't care.
Oh, your professors don't care?
No.
Yeah. Does that upset you?
Does it upset you?
When you think about the last semester, what do you think has been the most stressful for you?
I don't know, grades, maybe.
Grades?
Yeah.
Why would you say grades?
I mean, because, I just get worried sometimes. I mean, not a lot. I mean, I go to most of my classes, but sometimes it just feels like the work doesn't pay off.
Yeah.
So
it kind of sounds like you're putting a lot of work in and maybe not seeing the grades that you expected?
maybe, yeah. I guess.
Yeah. What are your grades right now?
I mean, right now I've got 2 Ds, and then a C in one class, and then another one that's not so good.
Oh, so there's one that you're kind of struggling in more than others?
I mean, maybe. I try, and I put in the work, but it's not like, I don't think that the professor is a good teacher.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. What have you done to try to, look at your grade in that class? Have you gone to tutoring? Have you tried talking to your professor about it?
No, I've not.
Okay.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. I have not tried to talk to my professor.
Yeah. Is that something that you would consider doing?
Can't say I'm really thinking about it, no.
Okay.
I just don't think. It's very much like he reads off the PowerPoint, and then he leaves,
Mm-hmm.
and then he's done for the day. I feel like I'd have better luck watching paint dry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So it sounds like it's been a really challenging class to try to stay engaged in.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
You try being in a room with 100 people.
Yeah. That sounds really terrible.
Mm-hmm.
So so it sounds like you have a problem, that you're in a class you don't really like. Would you consider it something that is a problem for you?
I mean, it's not. Does anybody like that as a problem?
Okay, so it does sound like you have a problem and that you have a professor that you're not connecting with, and that you're having a class that you're very challenged in. What do you think you can do to try to resolve the issue that you're having with that class?
The trick question?
No.
I mean, at this point, I don't know what I would do. Like,
Mm-hmm.
obviously, if I knew, I would probably do it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not working. So, I mean, if I knew what I would do, I would probably do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you have a few different options that you could go about trying to resolve the issue. The first is that you could talk to your academic advisor and see if there's, any chance of you dropping it without any